Yeah, let's start. Let's join the with the QR code and okay, let's go through a few questions first. Which AhaSlides features have you been using? Please let us know. You can choose all or some. Quiz slides, of course. We call it quiz because it's like the competitive quiz, polls, including word cloud, open-ended. Yeah, we call them the poll, gathering opinions slides, report. Oh no, oh, there are a few people using report integrations. I'm sure it's like a PowerPoint add-in. Am I right?
Well,
Okay.
yes, at least for me it's PowerPoint.
Yes. AI, yes, that's cool. So we will talk briefly about AI in this session as well, and we have other sessions about AI that I will introduce later. Okay, so thank you. I will move on to the next question. How do you use data, AhaSlides data report in your daily work tasks? Is it for assessing training effectiveness, tracking attendance, or schedule training sessions, or monitor performance and reporting to stakeholders? Okay, so there's a balance of everything. That's cool. The reporting to stakeholders is taken now, right? Yep, I think it's quite consistent across the research that some research data that we have done. A lot of times the trainers have to report to other managers, the bosses, R&D bosses, CEO, about how other people are doing. Yes, then yeah, mostly used to engage the audience. That's cool. Okay, so thank you. And I have one more questions before I move on to the main part about data and reporting with AhaSlides. So how do you feel about data and reporting overall? Do you hate it or do you love it? Cool. We have yes, show some signals. Right. Okay, so we actually have a lot of data lover here. So that's a relief.
Yeah, it seems like everyone is data nerds and data lover here.
Yes. Okay, so I'm actually quite excited as well as a bit scared as well. So I'm hopefully I will be able to how should I show you a lot of the data features about us like within this session. Yeah. So that you will feel useful. Okay. All right. Let's go to okay, so a brief introduction of myself. My name is Cheryl and I'm the head of growth at AhaSlides. So I have been using AhaSlides for about 3 years now. I used to work in finance, so work a lot with data and of course with my OCD. I think it's mild. I don't know, other people say, but yeah. So I also author monthly release notes and emails newsletter. And I also have with me here Celine. Celine is our senior business development manager, and she's also hosting other session as well to help everyone get the best out of our slides. Yeah. So Celine just hosted a PowerPoint add-in session last week. Yeah.
Yeah, and there were a lot of people joining. Everybody was asking a lot of questions, and so Cheryl and I really like to take turns so that you do not get too used to one of our faces, so that you can feel more refreshing for each session. Each session is a new host.
Yes. All right. So I hope that this session, of course, I will assure you that it will not be boring. It will be very AhaSlides interactive, and hope that after this session you can, dodge some data assignments. Okay, so first of all, the session I will go through three. So the agenda I will go through three parts. First is the part about gathering real-time insights. Secondly, is about exporting data and reports after the presentation, and the last session will be about analyzing training impacts over time. Yeah. So let me start with gather real-time insights first. And okay, we will still have some questions for you. Can you please rate your experience with AhaSlides so far in terms of engagement and fun and reliability and stability? Oh, I love this. Wow. Okay. This will be sent to my boss, the CEO and the CTO. The CTO must not be very happy now. Okay, reliability and stability. Okay. That's cool. It's always fun to see how the lines are moving. Okay. Thank you for this. It's still okay. And so my next question, I'd like to know a little bit more. What are the biggest issues that have you had with us? Please share all your thoughts, your ideas. Too many new features, but little guidance. Oh no, I'm sorry. We are fixing that right now. No issues experienced. That's cool. Subscription. Oh, you can email us after this. We'll try to fix the subscription issue. Locking up when using PowerPoint integration. Oh no. Support in learning how to use. Yes. Editing slides when importing. Okay. Integration sometimes buggy. Yeah. I think there's a lot of integration issues here. PowerPoint integration. Need more AI. Oh yes. Okay. That's a huge motivation for our future tech team. Better reporting features, analytics. Yes, we are doing that as well. And this session will be a way for us to understand more about your needs to better develop our features. Need to see more AI. I think this means about AI, right? Too many Excel reports. I don't know what to do. Oh no. Okay. We are coming up with more, less Excel report, like different kind of ways you can see the report. Spanish support. Okay. Wow. We'll look into that. I'm sure there's a lot of Spanish users. The leaderboard did not work on one of my presentations. Oh, so sorry about that. Yeah, I'm French too. Right. I like that there are new features. Thank you. And we are having more and more new features coming up in April. 3 more new slide types, like all at once. Limitations on the free account. Agree. Okay. However, the customer service team was very responsive and resolved the issue quickly. Oh, thank you. I'll let them know. Okay, so I think that's it. Okay, I'd like to show you this feature. It's AI powered. So every time when there are more than 10 open-ended responses, it will be able to, when you click on the group button, all the responses will be grouped into group. So they have just grouped it into 6 groups. User experience issues, looking up integration. Okay, no issues reported. There are 2 persons. Thank you. Support and learning. Yes. Feature suggestion. Subscription. Okay. And the others. Okay. So PowerPoint integration should be here as well. Yep. So this is one thing that I think not a lot of people know that we have this, because during presentation, I know that you guys are really, really, focus on the presentation, focus on the audience. And a lot of times all these are very hard to, to see. So I would like to take this session to show you that even within the presentation itself, you can still, AhaSlides still have a lot of features that can help you with data, show how a grouping of the data and everything. Yeah. And we are coming up with a new slide type that can help you to rename the group, move different responses to another group as well. Yeah, coming up in Q2, April. Yep. All right, let's go to the next session. So I will have a few quizzes, and it's a chance to win $20 Amazon voucher. Yep, and of course the quiz is about data and reporting with AhaSlides, and let's see how much you know about AhaSlides reports.
I think I'll join the quiz too, but I will use a different name so then no one knows it's me. So then maybe I can get the gift card then.
Oh, okay. So is everybody in? How person? I think it's, how come we have more than, okay, let's go to the first quiz question. Okay, it's very easy. It's true or false. You can only collect live data with AhaSlides. Is that true or false? So live meaning that during the presentation itself, we call it live. 2, 1. Thumbs up. False. Okay, yeah, it's false. Why? Because we have a feature called self-paced, whereby you can actually send the presentation to other people via email, and they can do at their own time. So we usually use that. Our users usually use that for a survey, and like pre training survey or after session survey, and it collects a lot of data, like yeah, people can complete the questions at any time that they want. So it's here at the settings. Okay, next question. Hey, you can collect up to 8 audience information fields. What I mean about audience information fields is like the name, email, organization of the audience. It's true. Okay, so I think not a lot of people know about this feature. We call it collect audience info, whereby you can actually collect people's name, email, organization, and besides the three fields that we have, you can add up to 5 more custom fields of your own, and it will show on the report later on as well. Okay, so we have one more quiz question for this part. This 3 of 5. It's a bit tricky. Once you reset results, you will lose all data. Is that true or false? Yes, it's false. You won't lose any data at all. So we have this feature called multi-session, and every time you reset the results, it will create a new session and it will keep there for you so that you can review later, even when you are just testing. Before multi-session, before we have this feature, so we receive a lot of requests from users like, oh, I accidentally reset the results, and the customer success team will have to retrieve the data for the users. But now we don't need it anymore. You can actually reset results and it will create a new session. And the better thing is that if you have different sessions of the same content, you won't have to duplicate the content anymore. Yeah, you will just use one presentation for all your sessions, and of course it will show in one report, and you can compare all the, for example, Ram, you love competitive quiz, right? You can do this quiz for a lot of classes, and you can compare different sessions as well. Yep. Okay, so that's the this is the leaderboard. So Blair, you are taking the lead now. Okay, we have 2 more questions later. So please keep up. Okay, so that's the first part about live reporting. So we have a lot of features about, you know, AI, that group reports, and that group, the open-ended session, open-ended answers, and also you can collect information of people, of audience as well. So it helps full with your data and reporting later. Yep, so the next session is about dashboard and export formats. Okay, I remember someone saying too many Excel reports. Yes, we have Excel, and we also had dashboard as well. So I think for this part, it's better for me to go directly into the report itself to show you. Okay, so this is my presentation. And if I click it here, you can see this icon a lot of places, even in the My Presentation list. Okay, so this is the session that we are actually doing. Now we have 15 participants. We have 62 total reactions so far. And the accuracy is a bit low, about 28%. Okay, and let's see what else. Okay, this is the leaderboard. So Blair, Leighton, and Tiff, you are leading with first, second, and third places. And you can actually see what are the answers as well. Yep. So everybody's answer is here, and you can also share this if you need to show your stakeholder how the participants are doing. You can actually share this via link. Okay, and in terms of export, we can export this into Excel. Let me download the report. This is first. Okay. And the great thing about this Excel sheet is that it has all the raw data so that you can actually use for, let me share the Excel sheet. Yep. Can have all the slide details, participants, quiz answer, opinion answers, team leaderboard, and raw data so that you can use for pivot source later. So is there anyone here is a pivot wizard?
Definitely not me.
Not me neither. Okay. So yeah.
No. It's another no from Ram. Yeah, but I really like the accuracy level. That's one is very useful, at least to me, because when it's 28%, like it's showing Cheryl right now, I know it's a little bit low. So maybe the questions were a little bit difficult for this session. Maybe next time, if I do the same session for another group, I will make the questions easier. So that's how I use the accuracy level. It's very insightful.
Yes. And for me, for this session, I understand that we have not done a great job in like introducing the features, the data feature for you, and it help you learn all these features before. So yeah. Okay, and of course here you can download the slides as well, the PDF slides with all the live results, all the, the chart, the pie chart, the bar chart, everything, and you can also download it as separate images, so you won't have to screenshot anymore. Yeah. Okay, so this is the dashboard for the presentation itself, but we also have another dashboard for all the sessions or all the presentation, all the events that you have done. So if you go to this report with the same icon, reports, we call it report center, you can see that there are all the data here. Yep, so this is the one that we are doing just now, and all the other sessions that I have been doing. Yeah, I have a lot of sessions. Some of that are testing. And we're also developing reports for questions and participants as well. So these two are the beta version, whereby you can see the responses and correct answer, incorrect accuracy of a question, and also see the same thing, correct and incorrect accuracy of a participant. Okay, so let's go back to this presentation. Okay, I can go back from here as well. So there's a lot of ways where you can retrieve information within AhaSlides. Okay, let's go here, view details, and go back to the slides. Okay, so I'm here. Okay, we have just covered the view and report results and view and compare different sessions. And I have quiz for you as well. Okay. Two more questions. But I won't reveal the leaders until the end. Okay. So which of the following information can you find in the Excel report? Is it open-ended responses, quiz and polls, response timestamps, and respondents' names? Oh no, there's no. So there's no one answer it correctly. Did anyone answer?
Yeah, I submitted. I think it's an internet connection issue that's not showing the results.
Right.
But
okay, let
yeah.
me maybe refresh a little bit. Let's go through this. Okay, let's. It's here. I guess because I go back and forth between the editor and presenting screen. Okay, that's cool. Yep, everybody's got it correctly. All of these above, you can have all these. And I'd like to, yes, Chris, you have a question? Please go ahead.
Yes, Chris, you can unmute yourself. Or you can drop your question in the chat, and we also have a Q&A slide at the end in case you want to. Okay, I think we can move on to Cheryl.
Yep. Okay, let's go next. Next question. Okay, which information is available in the report center? Okay, so this is a trick question. We don't have live collaborative slide editing history yet, but I'm sure if you want it, if you need it, we will develop that later as well. So we have all these other shareable report links, exportable raw data, individual response data, and session summary and analytics. Okay, so one more thing I'd like to share is that just now when you see, the multi-session report, there's one thing that I like to add, that if you have one presentation and you need it to be presented by different persons, you can actually add them as a collaborator for present only, and they cannot edit the presentation as well. And if a presenter present this, all the information of all the data of that session will be in your master report for this for the presentation. Yeah, I hope it's helped with your team work, team collaboration. Okay, so please suggest any other information you would like to have in the reports, in the Excel report, in the dashboard, in any features, any live report that you like. We'd love to hear that, and I'm sure we'll try to develop that as much as possible. And of course, sometimes we might contact you as well to ask for more details. Need to use more words such as needs to come. Thank you. Yes. So the thing about reporting is that the data, the more you have, the better you can draw conclusions and, analytics and everything. So please use more, gather more information, ask more questions in your presentation, and you will be amazed like how much information it will reveal about your audience, your participants, your students. Most difficult questions. Oh, yes, we'll have that. Most difficult questions. Yep. So just now when I present the beta version of the questions, it will become a dashboard whereby you can see how each question perform, what are the rate of like incorrect or correct answers, and we will also identify the most difficult questions as well. Is it possible to get an overview of stats or further analytics outside the raw data? So what can we glean from that data? Yes, we have that, and I will go through it quickly after this slide. Which question participant got wrong most? Yes, that's one of the most wanted feature. Also, we're kind of glad to see the live quiz did that to you, because I have. Oh, okay. Yes, I'm so sorry about that. Yep, sometimes it happens. Okay. So when you have questions, I think we will maybe talk about it there at the Q&A. Most active trainees. Yes. Yep. We are developing a version whereby you can see the trainees over time, over classes, and over times as well. Yep. Okay, that's cool. I will quickly go to the last section about AI power analysis and recommendations. Just now, one person has just requested. So, just one quick question, whether you have used AI. I mean, other AI, not only AhaSlides AI, like, ChatGPT or Claude, because we have our some users will export the results from AhaSlides and go to ChatGPT, Claude, or any other AI agent to actually ask them to help analyze the reports. Okay, creating summaries, yes, spotting anomalies, forecasting trends, automatic exercise. Yep. Okay, so the great thing is that you won't have to export it to your agent, your external AI anymore. We have the AI report within AhaSlides. So it's actually just now when, let me go back to this. When, if you see in the report center, you can see that there's this insights. So we have here a quick summaries of the session. The session show a great turnout with 15 participants contributing. So the accuracy on the quick slides is a bit low. It's only 50%, 52%. And this presenter has a diverse mix of interaction. And if you click onto the Ask More, it will show more information, and you can also ask the AI to actually share, tell you more. Like, for example, I asked this question, how can I improve next time? And the AI agent will have the recommendations for me. So these are the two difficult or unclear questions. My 2 out of 3 questions have 0% correctness. Yeah, and engagement, only 1 participant focus on promotion and accessibility. Okay, and content balance. So all these information are quite helpful for you if you have to do a lot of training sessions or presentations over time. And we also have another, let's go back to this, back to the report. So we call it this master report, and we also have an Ask AI button here for the master report as well to help you actually analyze everything over time. So if I, for example, I try to engage the most, it will not only analyze a particular presentations, but it will analyze the whole, all of my presentations. Which RMM do you use? I think this one is based partly on ChatGPT. But for the correct answer, I will gather and I'll let you know later. Okay, so you can see all the chats here. Most engaged participants is actually myself. So sorry, I do a lot of tests here. And Luna and Celine as well. Thank you, Celine. Yes. And it will show the top 10 participants by total responses. So there's a lot of questions, a lot of things that you can play around with this AI agent. Okay, back to this session. Okay, so I think I have we have come to the end of the part where I show you all the information, all the features about the capabilities of AhaSlides reporting. So let's hear from you guys if you have any questions. I think where you have questions about Power BI, and Celine, you have kind of like answer the questions. Yep. Is there anyone else who have any questions about this reporting? Okay, Ram. So how do you feel about the reporting, Ram? Is that helpful to you with your quiz session? Thanks a lot. Okay.
So it's quite a lot of information today. So, and we will have a separate session for the AI features next week. So please keep an eye out for that.
Sorry. Sorry, Celine. Yes.
It's okay,
I
that's
thought
all I
the
wanted
next
to
slide
say.
is the AI slide, but it's the leaderboard slide. Leihan, did I pronounce it correctly? Leihan. Yes, you got the gift. Yeah, please text us, Celine or Cheryl, your email address, and we'll send the gift after this session. Yes, and
Thank you.
yes.
Yeah, it's Leanne, but you're close. Very good. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, Leanne. Yes, so sorry. Yeah. And yeah, so I want to show this slide. We will talk about again, we'll have another session about AhaSlides add-in for PowerPoint. And that's really most wanted because a lot of people are using AhaSlides integrations with PowerPoint. And we also have a session about boost productivity with AhaSlides AI. So I just want to share that this presentation I did is actually about 50% done by AhaSlides AI. If you, I'm not sure if you have ever used this AI thing before. So I actually use a lot. I talk to this agent quite a lot, and there's a cool feature just come out, which is presentation readiness and check results. And it helped me check grammar, spelling, quiz timing. This is really useful because I got a few times where I'm so embarrassed that I didn't set the quiz timing correctly. I set it like maybe 5 seconds or too long, like 90 seconds. And the agent will help to recommend, like for example, it recommend to me that the poll, the 30 seconds, the quiz should be only 30-second time limits. Yeah. So please join us for the next session on AI to know more. Yep. Okay.
Thank you all so much. I know that's a lot of information, but the best way to really understand the features is to actually just start using them and use them for your next presentation and just a little bit every time. I'm sure you will become experts in no time.
Yes, and we promise that we will do this regularly so that you will be updated with the latest features and also how to get the best out of our slides with all these workshop. Thanks for joining.
Yeah, and I've got the link to our upcoming events page in the chat. Please bookmark it, and we'll regularly post new events here. And you can register for upcoming events like you did for this one.
Thank you. So, yes.
Okay, thank you all very much. Thank you for joining. You've been a great audience. Thank you for interacting with Cheryl and I.
Yes. All right. Have a nice day, everybody.
Thank you. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Bye.